Okay guys, I am here with Rosie the dog, and I decided to do a Nerf bow mod. I was going through my garage, I was looking through a couple of Lego sets basically, and then I saw this next to him. And it works, but it's way too much purple and pink for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color with some duct tape and maybe put on a couple of mods. So let's get to that. Ready? Set, go. That was anticlimactic. It was supposed to do this. Okay guys, so basically, which duct tape should I use? I'm gonna use this first because it's the most colorful one that I have. And I like colors. So, what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna put this on. So, yeah. Rosie's just, you might see her jump up on stuff inside the background. Yeah, that's just Rosie, so deal with it. And I forgot the scissors. Okay guys, so this is definitely going to take longer than I thought it would. I'm just going to get back to you when I'm all done. See you next time. There's a fly on my hand. See you next time. Okay guys, are you ready? There it is. So it doesn't look all as good as I was thinking it might turn out, but it still looks cool, you know. So, I'm thinking of maybe adding some mods to the bullets. I don't know if I could maybe make them like more dangerous or I don't know. But what I'm thinking is maybe if I were to put something inside the bullets to make them like more dangerous. But for now, I have a pretty good idea. Okay, so it includes these. I used these at the beginning of the video. They literally compress the ground just a little bit of force. And you will end up with like this. You know, there's a difference in color. But it would just pop so easy. It doesn't hurt. Like I literally break these inside my hand like all the time. It's super fun. It just makes a loud noise. So I'm thinking maybe if I were to like tape this to like the tip of the bullet, like right there, that pink part, because I do have some masking tape. So I'm gonna try that. So I don't know if it will pop since like there's an extra protection on it from the masking tape, but it's only like a tiny little piece. And then if I put that like on it, basically, I could try maybe putting it inside the hole of the bullet, but that has to go inside of it. That's what I originally thought to do. But yeah, so super tricky to tape this on there just right. So, I don't think it will pop, but you never know. So, it's like lightly taped on, as that. And then, we got this. Put our bullet in. I'm just gonna like shoot it at the ground. Okay, so I put it in to my thing. Move you down a level. And let's see if shooting it at the ground will make it pop. It didn't work. Oh, guys, this would have been so cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna figure out a way to make this work. Yeah, you guys are upside down. This is super confusing. I'm gonna make this work. Okay, the video quality is probably really bad. Okay, guys, so thought maybe if I put it like that so that this would directly hit it, and maybe it would work. But I'm gonna have to like shoot this like really far. So, like hit it against like a wall or something. But of course, I have Rosie in here, so that won't work. So, I'm gonna try it. It's probably not gonna work since I don't have like enough build up to it, but yeah. So then, guys, that worked. That worked. Oh my god, I'm so happy that that worked. Oh my gosh, guys, that worked. I can't believe that that worked. Okay, I need to show you guys like the thing, and I'm gonna put that in slow-mo and see if you guys can see it explode. So, let's do that. Okay guys, so I taped it the exact way, but I had to do a different bullet. So I'm hoping that this time it will work. It kind of like popped in midair last time though, so. Okay, I'm gonna aim for this right here. Hopefully we'll hit it. Okay, let me get the bullet. Okay guys, so I have everything ready. I'm hoping that I can get that green thing. Okay, ready? Box though, those are the best thing in the world. This is now my new favorite thing to do. So, but I don't have a ton of those popping things, so I won't be able to do it that long. I could just buy some more. It was like 50 cents. Okay, yeah, to the outro you go. Okay guys, so while I was editing this video, while I was editing my intro, and I was like listening to it on replay, I heard the darts. Exploding darts sound kind of like farts, like atomic exploding farts. Okay, anyway, see you later.